If your scores is lower than you like, then odds are it's caused by some financial mistake or oversight that you've made in the past. But not everyone's low scores is caused by something that they did though. Sometimes other people's criminal activity can affect your credit score. So here are a few tips that can keep you and your credit safe from online financial predators. Coming up. Many people who are careful with paying bills on time and having minimal debts are actually shocked each and every year to find that they have low credit scores. And in many cases, this happens as a result of identity theft. Identity theft is a type of crime in which people take your personal information, steal it, and pose as you to get access to your accounts or your identities. So for example, someone with your PINs can remove small amounts of money from your bank account each and every month, or someone can use your personal information to get credit cards under your name and use them with no intention of paying the money back. Then guess who's stuck with that debt and that low credit score? That's right, you guessed it, it's you. Now with that said, here are a few of my tips to prevent you from being a victim of identity theft. First thing you want to go ahead and do is always check your account statements carefully each and every month. Then you want to report any suspicious activity or any charges you actually don't recognize. And check your credit reports immediately and dispute any new accounts you don't recognize. This by far is one of the best proactive ways of detecting and acting upon identity theft. So if you've recently been a victim of identity theft, report it to the police immediately and get a police statement. Then you want to go ahead and do is send copies of this to your banks and all 3 credit bureaus. Close all of the accounts and reopen new ones. You should definitely not have to pay for someone else's illegal activities on your account. So if you need a professional to explain this to you or to find out what your options are, or you just need help with disputing some accounts that you clearly don't recognize on your credit report, make sure to click in the link in the description below and schedule your free 20-minute evaluation. This will give us the opportunity to sit down with you, analyze your credit reports, identify those negative factors holding your credit score back, and also discuss with a plan of action what we can do to take your credit from where it is now over to the next level with little to no negative items remaining on your credit report. So make sure to schedule your credit evaluation with us with the link in the description below, or call the number on the screen as you see here, which is 888-424-0058, option number 1. I'll be happy to talk to you or some people from my staff. With that being said, guys, I hope you like the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.